Young whippersnappers, welcome back. So we just finished doing some model car shopping right over here. I had a couple of surprises for you guys. Stay tuned for that. Giveaway coming soon. Got yet another Yaris. We're gonna head over to Tatsumi. Got the Yaris, second night in a row, back at Tatsumi on a Monday night. We got a special surprise for you, ladies and gentlemen. Hold on, it's probably right over there. Let's go check it out. Well, this is not the surprise. It's Liberty Walk GTR. Look at the deep dish wheels. But right over here, ladies and gentlemen, the Zonda Anija. Now we're rolling. Yes, Zonda Anija here at Tatsumi. I know you guys love it. Some of you guys hate it. It is what it is. But this man did not give a goddamn about what anyone says and has decided to create this thing here. While we wait for the original owner to come back, let's take a look at this Liberty Walk slammed GTR with deep dish wheels, and it's purple, I think. Yeah, nice. This is pretty cool. I don't think this was at TAS. It's actually sparkly paint. You can't really see it, but just take my word for it. We got a second Anija car here. Check this out. Someone's put their hat on the side mirror window. And of course, got the Team Anija bedazzled logo right there on the side. 512 Testarossa. I had a couple other Anija cars here. Check out the headlights. They love bedazzling everything. The chrome rims, everything, man. You know what I should do? I should send my SVR to Team Anija and have him work on my car. That's a story for another time. While I extract the rest of the information on how the car is built, the origins, thought process, who Team Anija is, we're going to be taking a few shots. Alex Pempo, Aaron Chun, and Ken Saito against the city line here at Tatsumi, and then we'll be heading over to Ginza. We currently are having a translator speak with the owner, who has actually referred us to his American counterpart to answer all of our questions and whatnot. I mean, everyone's got a lot of questions. There's a lot of people who are hating on this particular car, but I say let it be, man. This thing is pretty sick. I mean, think about it. Who has the balls to actually modify a Pagani Zonda C12? And he's been doing it for years too. This is not the first iteration of the Zonda Anija. This is probably, I can't even tell you how many times this car has been modified, but this is probably the most radical iteration that he's done for Tokyo Auto Salon. Dude, we got two old school leapers leaping the Zonda Anija. Probably very confused and bewildered as to what this thing is. Mad respect. OG, old school leapers, baby. Never stop leaping. Oh, look, a GT3 RS. Nice. Interesting. Not bad for a Monday night, guys. That's pretty sick. JDM, bro. We got another photo shoot happening on the sidelines here. Got two people on the ground. Well, that's how you get the shot, guys. Nice. I think there's a model. Wait, hold on. Let me zoom in. Oi. Trusty Yaris. We got Alex Penfo and Aaron Chun on the left side, and we're gonna have Ken Saito at the helm here. We're gonna hop in. I think this guy wants our spot. I'm gonna hop in here real quick. Hold on. Yikes! Wow! There it is. Getting those rollers, son. It's like 20 degrees outside. It's freezing. I think we got our buddies in the back there holding up traffic so we get the clear shot. Shout out to the homies. I think we're coming up to a tunnel really soon. We got our buddy in the M2 and the 512 behind us blocking off traffic. Oh no, we got his, no. waving thingies.
Oh, it's being leaked.
Who's leaping it? Get the shot, son. He's looking at his shot. Get another one, get another one. Yes! He's got it. Shout out to the homie in the M2 and the 512 for hooking it up, guys. Nice. There's a lot of light here, so might be able to get some good shots. This place is actually a really, really wealthy area. We got a luxury department store. Check out the lights in the back there. We got Aaron Chun. Of course, we got Alex Penfold across the street, right next to the taxis. Dude, you gotta do whatever you gotta do to get the shot. There it is, guys. 4 exhaust pipes to 1. We're not sure if this is the Cadet or modified in any way, but so we got our buddies M2 in Long Beach Blue, right next to the Zonda Anija. Now, I don't know about you, I think the colors, paint schemes are pretty similar. I mean, I know it's not in this direct sunlight, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I think this might be a slightly darker shade. I don't know. It's pretty close though. It's not identical, but it's pretty damn close. I think we should have parked the Zonda where the 512 is. It's much more lit. Ha, get it? Unfortunately, Mr. Anija couldn't make it out himself, so we got his associate driving the car. So many thanks to the entire team and company Anija has done as well. Now we're gonna actually head over, drop the car off some alleyway, get a few more photos, but damn, this thing is, I don't know about you guys, but this thing is sick. I guess the real question is, how do I join Team Anija? I want to bedazzle my SVR. I want Mr. Anija to work on my car. But like I said, there's 2 ways of going about it. You source your own car and you give it to him, or 2, you tell him what car you want and then he will source it, because he's in the import-export business. So he will find the car, source it, and then you can tailor to your own specific needs. We got the 512 right over here. The owner's actually leaping his own car. Mad respect. Quite possibly the most Japanese combo ever. We got the iconic vending machine, and of course, the 512 Testarossa. Love how the license plate lights up like that. It's pretty sick. I don't think that could, I don't think that's gonna really fly in America, honestly. Oh. Oh. Check that out. The A team. So a quick summary of how Team Anija works is that you go to Mr. Anija, you can either bring your own car or he can source a specific car that tailors to your needs. So if you're looking for, say, a Murcielago in black, he's gonna do his best and find that, import it in or buy it, and then you basically tell him kind of vaguely and guide him as to how you want your car done. You could be like, I want it in pink, I want bedazzled, I want chrome rims or whatever. Basically, you kind of leave the car to his vision or to what he thinks is best for the car. So he actually asks his wife for inspiration as well. So it's a pretty unusual process. So this guy's basically got his own vision, his own imagination to run off on. It's kind of up to him what he wants to do. Very interesting creative process as to how he creates and modifies his cars. So like I said, if he wants a big wing, if he wants side skirts, or he wants the car to be in teal and that's what he thinks is best, then that's what you're gonna get. There you guys have it. The flagship, the star of the A team right here. Basically a car that can showcase what they're capable of doing, modifying, and building. That is it for tonight's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys got a little more understanding of how Team Anija works. Got the 512 rolling out, looking sharp. Definitely needs a wing. Here we go. That's it for the vlog, guys. Hope you guys get a better understanding. Yes. Oh, look at that. Woo. Hope you guys have a better understanding of how Team Anija works and the Japanese car culture. So that being said, that is the end of today's video. Hope you guys enjoying the rest of the Tokyo Auto Salon videos. Is that our Yaris right there?
Yep.
That is our Yaris right there. Oh, kind of sad now.